Hello everyone. So you might be knowing that in the past few days we have celebrated a lot of friendship days, right? Like yesterday we had our Indian Friendship Day and few days back we had our International Friendship Day, right? So topic for today's set of questions is friends, okay? So by friends I'm not referring to that American sitcom. I mean proper friends, okay? The friends which you and I have. So I'm talking about those friends, okay? And one more thing, by friends I don't mean that friends will be proper human beings, okay? Like you might have heard the quote that books are our best friend, right? So books are also considered as our friends. So I'm considering that any person, place, animal or thing that helps us in case of our need, because a friend in need is a friend indeed, right? So any person, place, animal or thing that helps us in case of our need is our friend, okay? So work out your answers according to that, okay? So now let's see the first question. So this is the very first question. Like you might have heard about Alexander and Porus, right? They were very great pilots. Just kidding, they were kings. Alexander was a Macedonian king and Porus was of course Indian. And you might have heard about the fierce battle between them in which Alexander finally won, right? But there is another story that Alexander's wife, you can read it and I'm telling you the story also. Alexander's wife gave Porus something, okay, because she feared that Porus would defeat Alexander and kill him, okay? So she gave Porus something and told him that in return of this you won't kill my husband, okay? In return the king promised not to harm Alexander, right? So one day in the battle, while Porus was about to kill Alexander, like he was about to give the fatal blow, last fatal blow, okay, then Porus saw something, okay? He saw something which Alexander's wife had given him, and as a result of that he stopped and he did not kill Alexander, okay? And the rest is history. So I just want to know, what did Alexander's wife give, okay? Like you can work out the answer. Why will I ask this question on this day? And you have your answer in your plate, okay? Just a simple question to start with, and it doesn't have to do anything with friends, just a starting question, right? A bit of trivia for you, okay? So now moving on to the next question. Don't worry, I'll give you the answers at the end, okay? Once the questions are over, then we'll move on to the answers. So now this question, like X and Y are shapeless alien type characters, okay? Alien is the keyword, like it would be your hint. Who inhabit a specific Indian city. They are college buddies, and you can read it what if you want. I'm telling you, like once upon a time, like few years back, these two college buddies, these two aliens were the first person whom I met as soon as I got up from the bed, okay? Now things have changed because now everything has come to our mobile phone, but few years back, whenever I woke up, this was the first thing I would meet, okay? And I'm damn sure that you would have also seen these two creatures, okay? These two aliens, I'm damn sure that you would have seen him, rather them, okay? So I just want to know, where did you see them or who are they? Like the hint would be that few years back, every day you would have got up from your bed and you would have met these aliens. Now if you're thinking that the answer is Ben 10, then you are absolutely wrong. Ben 10 is not the answer, but you are going in the right direction. So think out what it can be, okay? You can pause the video if you want. Then moving on to the third question, identify this person. Just kidding, he is of course Jawaharlal Nehru. So the question is, who is this person, okay? So the first thing, he is not Jawaharlal Nehru, he is Mahatma Gandhi. Just kidding. Okay, so I want you to identify this person, okay? So what happened is that when Mahatma Gandhi was in South Africa, if I am correct, then this person asked for an appointment to meet him, okay? But Mahatma Gandhi had not heard of him, okay? He did not know who he was or what did he do. So he did not meet him, okay? So Mahatma Gandhi did not meet him, but few years later he did meet him when he came to know what he was, who he was, and what he actually did. And from there we got this photograph. Okay, so I just want you to identify this person. Okay, you can see the picture clearly if you want. Okay, and the hint would be that, like, I'm not asking you any vague question. I'm damn sure that you know this person. Okay, but you know him in a different form. Okay, like he's quite a lot connected to our childhood. If not ours, they are definitely connected to our parents' childhood. Okay, and another hint could be, you can take reference of this black and white picture. Okay, it can also be your big hint, I'll say. Okay, so you can think of the answer accordingly. Like the greatest hint would be that you know this person and this black and white picture. Okay, now think what it can be. Moving on to the next question. So basically this question, I have put this question to reflect a very interesting trait among friends. That is, when they are alone, they'll fight a lot. They'll fight like hell. But suppose a third person interferes in between, they both will first unite, fight out the third person, and then again they'll start fighting. Okay, so this happens a lot, and this show, basically it is a show, is the best example of that. Okay, again you all have seen this. So basically what happened is that when the creators were thinking of this show, they first thought of using a fox and a dog. Okay, but after that they settled on using dash and dash. Okay, so if you know the dashes, you know the answer. Okay, so I give you a great hint that they both fight a lot, but when a third person comes, they both unite, fight out the third person, again they start fighting, and they fight a lot, and we know them because of their fighting. Okay, not exactly fighting, but I can't use the word or else the answer will be known. Like fox and dog, what can you use in place of fox and a dog? So if you need any more hints, you can look at this picture. You can see a lion, a few people trying to record something. It could be your sufficient hint, and you can look at this as well if you can make out what it is. Okay, these would be your sufficient hints. Now moving on to the next question. Okay, so X was originally named after Edwin Dash. Okay, and Dash is the answer. Okay, X and Dash are the same thing. Okay, who was a butler? Okay, butler working with Y's father. We know Y. For us, Y is kind of a superhero. Okay, so after Edwin's death, Edwin, who was the butler of Y's father, Y named X in his memory. Okay, in Edwin's memory. So I want you to identify X and Y. If you need any hint, what hint could I give? Like, don't think too much. It's just a very rather intelligent system. Okay, like if you know, and if you don't know, read the question again, and you will definitely know it. Okay. Now moving on to the next question. Again, so Kaufman and Crane, who were the developers of this very show, it was first named Insomnia Cafe. Okay, it was first named Insomnia Cafe, and then it had a title change, and it was named 6 of 1. Finally it was named Dash, by which we know it today. Okay, so again, why will I ask this boring question in today's quiz, in today's set of questions? Just think and you will have your answer. Okay, very simple one. Just think and you will have the answer. Why will I ask this question in today's set? Okay, and 1993 could be your hint. Insomnia Cafe, no, not quite a hint, but 6 of 1 can also be a hint. Now moving to the answers. Like, our questions are over. Now let's see what are the answers. So the first question, Alexander and Porus. What could have Alexander's wife given Porus, which could have prevented Porus from killing Alexander? The answer is none other than the Raksha Bandhan. Alexander's wife gave Porus a Raksha Bandhan, and so when he was about to kill Alexander, he saw the Raksha Bandhan on his hand, and he remembered that he was about to kill his sister's husband. Okay, and so he stopped and did not kill Alexander. Fine. So today is Raksha Bandhan, so I put this question as well. So X and Y are shapeless alien type characters. I told you a few years back when you woke up, these were the first person you would have met. The answer is the Bade and Chote on 9XM. Like, I guess you might be knowing 9XM. Like, if you don't know it, go and watch now. Yeah, what are you doing? Right? Now moving on to the next question. Identify this person. Again, very simple. Not simple, like you could have guessed, black and white and related to our childhood. He is none other than the Charlie Chaplin. Okay, you won't make out from the face that these two are the same person, but actually they are. Now this question, dog and fox, and again I gave you a hint, like they fight a lot. When a third person comes, they unite, fight the third person out, and then again they start fighting. Again I gave you this hint, this lion one. So this lion is actually the roar, and the answer is Tom and Jerry, and the third person is Spike, the dog. So whenever Spike comes, they both unite, fight the Spike, and again they start fighting. And this video recording is actually for this lion roar, you might have seen. Okay, now this X was originally named Edwin Dash. I gave you the question, and the answer was in the question itself, just Jarvins. So the answer is Jarvis. So it was Edwin Jarvis, who was the Y is Tony Stark. Okay, so Tony Stark's father was Howard Stark, whose butler was Edwin Jarvis. So when Edwin Jarvis died, Tony named his artificial intelligence Jarvis in memory of him. Okay, so the answer is Jarvis and Tony Stark. Okay, so the full form of Jarvis is just a rather very intelligent system. Okay, I gave it to you in the question. So the last question, like I have used the theme for today's quiz as friends, so it would be a bit unfair if I would have not given reference to our very own friends. So the answer is friends to this question. Like first it was named Insomnia Cafe, and then it was also named 6 of 1, and then finally it was named Friends. Okay, so this was all for today's set. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.